I'm Jasmine Kienne, and today I will be doing a twin hoop tutorial on double wedgie calf breaks, which look like this. Great, so let's get started. First of all, you want to get into your double wedgie position. Then, after you do your right foot stomp, you're going to grab the right hoop. You're going to press the right hoop into your left calf, and you're going to lock the other hoop into place. You can do as many calf breaks as you'd like. Just come back into double wedgie position, and after a left foot stomp, you grab the left hoop and hold. Press it into your right calf muscle, and do your calf breaks. Come back into double wedgie position and release. Great, well thank you so much for watching today, and happy hooping.